SpaceX is going public with the largest IPO in Wall Street history. But that's not the most surprising part of it. What's driving it forward is Elon Musk hyping up his company's ability to build AI-powered data centers in space, powered by giant orbiting solar panels also in space. Crazy, right? It's targeting a $1.75 trillion evaluation and aiming to raise $75 billion with shares. But this is the same company that posted this loss just earlier this year.
Is one of the biggest money-losing companies ever in the United States, period. Certainly the largest money-losing IPO in history. Most companies generally don't go public if they're not making any money.
But SpaceX is getting all sorts of special treatment ahead of its IPO. Major indexes like Nasdaq are changing their rules to fast-track the company's entry to their index.
The whole process of literally SpaceX goes to Nasdaq, asks them to change the rules of the index in exchange for getting the IPO listing. That is dirty pool.
Companies would have to prove profitability or have their market value determined before joining such major indexes. But that's not the case anymore. And that's how shares in SpaceX could end up being part of ETFs or even your 401k retirement fund.
It may not be illegal, but it is absolutely unethical.
Now, analysts say this gives ordinary savers fast access to big private companies. Critics say it exposes people to a new stock before we've determined its worth.
This is very explicitly taking money from the public markets and putting it in the pockets of insiders.
Insiders seem to be driving this IPO, with Musk at the wheel.
The reason it's getting all of the attention is just the pure Elon Musk hype machine. I mean, that's what it is.
But the company going public doesn't mean it'll weaken his position. He owns roughly 40% of the company's equity capital and 80% of voting rights.
You have to believe that somehow they're going to pivot and become a massive AI company. You have to somehow believe that they're going to acquire Tesla cheap and become the world's largest humanoid robotics company and the world's largest self-driving car company. None of those things are true.
Are SpaceX ambitions more pie in the sky than rocket science?